WAEC 2026 Mathematics Essay Question 7B. A line L passing through K, that is coordinate K minus 3,5 is parallel to the equation 3x minus 2y plus 5 equals 0. Find the equation of L. So we are going to solve this question using knowledge of coordinate geometry. So coordinate geometry, I will use simple sketch to illustrate the information from the question. Now to indicate that these two lines are parallel, so we are going to use arrow to indicate. Now let's denote this line, that is the equation of this line to be, so the given equation, that is 3x minus 2y plus 5, so equals to 0. Then we want to determine the equation of this line. So now in this case, so this is L, say a line L passing through a coordinate K with coordinate minus 3,5. Then we are going to pick another coordinate. They're using x and y. So we are using x and y as another coordinate on the same line. So let's work on this equation. We have 3x minus 2y plus 5 equals 0. We want to express this equation in form of y equals to mx plus c, where m is the gradient and c is the intercept. So because of negative sign, we are going to take this minus y to the other side of the equation so that negative will change to positive. We have 3x plus 5 equals to 2y, which implies 2y equals to 3x plus 5. So divide through by 2. So we have y equals 3 over 2x plus 5 over 2. So therefore, the gradient here, which we usually know by letter M, but we have two lines. Let's know this to be M1. M1 equals to 3 over 2. The intercept here, C1 equals to 5 over 2. Though we are not to work on the intercept. So, but in case of necessity, so this is the intercept. We have to calculate the intercept. Now, when two lines are parallel, they have common gradients. So they have the same gradient. So that is, this one is M2, this is M1. The gradient of this one for parallel lines, M1 equals to M2. So therefore, M1 equals to M2, which is equal to 3 over 2. We can as well use the same equation here, equation of a straight line. So we have y to determine the equation of line L, y equals to mx plus c. Now at the point, so we are going to take this one to be x, the first value given here to be x, and the second to be y. So we have abscissa to be x, then the ordinate to be y. So therefore we have x to be minus 3, y equals to 5. And the gradient, we are using m equals to m2, which is equal to 3 over 2. We substitute y, we want to calculate the intercept here, equals to, that is 5 for y, then m, we use 3 over 2 for m, then multiply by x, we have minus 3, then plus c, constant, and the intercept. So we have the intercept there. So let's get rid of the fraction, multiply 2 by 2. Then we have 2 by 5 equals to 3 over 2 by minus 3 plus c. Then 5, 2 times 5, 10. 2 times 3 over 2, 2 we cancel out, we have 3 left. 3 by minus 3 will be minus 9. 2 times c will give us 2c. So take minus 9 to this side. We have 10 plus 9 equals to 2c. This implies 2c equals to 19, implies that c equals to 19 over 2. When divide both sides of the equation by 2, we have this. So therefore, the required equation now, therefore, so the equation of line L is given by, now let's substitute here. So we have y equals m is 3 over 2x, then the intercept we got is 19 over 2. So multiply 2 by 2 implies that 2y equals to 3x plus 19. Now in case you want to write it in this form, so in this form of the equation of line we are given. So that is, we are going to take y to this side. This implies we have 3x then minus 2y then plus 19 equals to 0. Therefore, the equation of line L is 3x minus 2y plus 19 equals to 0. And this is the answer to the question. Please like, comment, and share. Thank you.